Welcome back to another video. Today we are playing Flappy Bird. So let's see. Let's see who can. Wait, give me a second. Let me finish. Today we're gonna see who's better at Flappy Bird, me
Chase.
or
Chase.
Jacob. What?
Can you touch that?
What?
Touch that?
No. Today we're gonna play Flappy Bird. And right now it's me.
If you get past her, I'll give you $1.
And right now
Hit
it's
play for me.
Jacob.
Hit play. How about hit play?
Oh wait, never mind. We're not doing that anymore because last time on the last
I was
record,
just playing.
he.
Hit play and I'll start doing it.
Okay.
Hit play.
Yeah, this is Jacob's
That'll be
turn.
gone by the time she gets to the register. See them screaming and stuff?
Right now I'm in the lead. On the other recording, he accidentally ended. He said he was the best at Flappy Bird.
Did you hear? You want to wait in the car?
Actually, I've goof,
I would have
but
been like, no, but
he
I did.
accidentally ended it
It's
mid
outside.
game.
I'm waiting to fucking
Yeah,
outside.
I'm in the lead so far. Alright, is actually a two-player version. Yeah. It's harder than you think. There's a two-player version, but it's gonna be annoying doing this. But
No empty-handed.
got you one.
Get your stuff together, dude.
Jacob, your turn.
Chase, get your stuff together.
Bye, guys.
I'm not making a
He's-
bunch of trips.
Remember to subscribe and hit the like button and hit the notification bell to always get notified when I post a new video. Also, like this video and comment what I should do next. None of my videos are sponsored, unless I say sponsored. Bye. Wait, I did this with the last game.